Is mathematics important in programming language? If your answer is yes, then this video is important for you. It's a very interesting discussion. Programming is 100% related to mathematics. Even it's a mathematical weapon. You can solve a problem with a small number of steps or data. But what will you do when the provided data is huge? So first I would like to discuss where actually mathematics is used in programming language. Every area of programming you can't go much far without knowing this binary math. If you want to work with image processing, you must be know clearly about matrix and Fourier transform. Now we have machine learning, artificial intelligence. In this portion, you must be clearly know about Bayesian statistics and multivariate calculus. What about networking? You should know graph theory. If you want to work with data mining, you should know statistics. Besides stock market intelligence services, you should know game theory. So friends, in the long run, just remember this. You don't need math skill to be a good developer, but you need them to be a great one.